Right, leg forward, leg out. Kinky. Yeah, get that leg out. No, stand straight.
What?
Click that button. Subscribe and make it happen. Hey guys, it's Ed and Megan and Happen, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna spend one full day on the resort, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So as always, if you haven't done so already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoy, please share this video. Let's go see what I get into today.
Why are you gonna get crazy?
Are you trying to tell me something, little cat? Are you trying to give me a warning? Who do I need to look out for? Is she the bad guy? Is she the bad guy? Is she the bad guy?
Stop it.
Who is it? You tell me. Somebody's trying to do something. That little cat has been around me. This is the second day. And a little cat has come next to me, so I'm asking. Who do I need to look out for? And what are you trying to tell me, little cat? You think I'm joking? I'm not joking.
I'll be here 4:50. Pre-order.
Trying to get these Instagram pics.
Just take them because they're very nice.
And pose, and pose, and pose, and pose, and pose, and work it, and work it. Hey girl,
are you videoing
And pose, and pose. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh!
Right, leg forward, leg out. Kinky.
Pose.
Yeah, get that leg out. No, stand straight.
What?
Oh.
Put your back out.
Smile. Natural. Right leg forward. Leg out. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more.
This is deep.
It's not deep. It's the one length all the way.
You sure it doesn't get deeper?
No.
Yeah. And it's fine, probably is running feet, so like run from you.
You made it. You made it.
We all used to live in Utah. They lived in the big.
Come here so you can do a new subscribe.
Oh, subscribe, guys.
Wait, mermaid dream.
Exact same tone, or even taller tone. Like Howard.
Oh, work it! Subscribe, guys. Back, please. Subscribe.
That's my favorite part. Like it's THELON.
It started raining, so now we're just sitting. Language! Language!
Sorry, Mom. I'm vlogging. I'm not like cursing, I'm vlogging.
You're not! Anyway, it started raining, so we had to find shelter.
This camera is dry. I'm really sorry about that.
I don't know what you're talking about. So now we're just sitting under here.
She's entitled. She thinks she is entitled. She's not.
All because I requested them to not use potty language.
Potty language.
Potty language. So now we're sitting here until it's time to get our massages.
I'll just leave it on my couch.
Just hanging out. Okay, so I came back to my room so I can get ready for my massage. I'm gonna take my contacts out and just get out of my bathing suit. But it's so nice to come back to your room and your bed is all made up. Look at this. Look, my outfit is ready. Mind you, this was hair, but everything looks so much neater. And then over here, like, so my makeup was like here, but like I think I had like the bottles out over here. But yeah, so I had like my makeup like over here, like a little bit scattered, and I was just like, let me get it out of the way, I'll leave it here, and they'll just won't touch the table. But they touched the table and they fixed it, and it looks so nice. So that makes me happy. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get ready for my massage, and it's gonna be amazing. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed part 1 of this vlog. Please come back tomorrow for part 2, where I go to the spa and I put on my nice outfit from Shein. Come back. I hope to see you soon. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that button. Subscribe and make it happen.